What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning into this new video here on the channel. Guys, today I'm going to specifically talk about the price action of XRP, like I promised you guys earlier in the stream that we were doing here on the channel, of course. Like you can see here today, earlier today we did this amazing stream, and of course we were seeing that XRP was moving up pretty significantly, and I thought this is right now the right time to talk about it once again here. Because guys, yes, let me first start over what I do think that we are going to reach this $3 still rather sooner than later, anytime soon here. And why I do still think that our coming days will be very exciting for XRP and that we can be really seeing the $3 getting reached anytime soon here. So guys, first, thank you so much for watching to this video. Make sure to right away smash up that like button. Make sure to hit up that subscribe button as well here, because we are coming very close towards the 40K guys. I can't wait to see what we're going to do here first of all. So let me talk about the first important thing that you have to be recognizing. So first of all, in 2017, we were forming this amazing, interesting symmetrical triangle, what was of course pushing the prices up towards this level of the $3.31 here. Of course, this was the Kickstarter of the previous run-up for XRP, and of course, we were seeing the exact same playing out for XRP once again here right now in 2021 here. So that was of course earlier on the reason why we were making this video 3 weeks ago approximately, to say, okay, we want to be entering XRP right now because this is spelling us insane rewards that are still yet to come here. So what can we expect if we learn from the past, and what do I anticipate currently? So let me go right away first into the MACD here. Let me identify the trend for XRP, and right now I'm looking at the 3-day candles. I will be going into multiple time frames, guys, because I think that's very important. So first of all, first I will be starting with the 3-day, after that the 2-day, and then the 1-day. So with the 3-day, it's definitely looking particularly good here. You can see higher high getting formed here, higher low getting formed as well here. And of course, we're right now look to be curving once again back to the upside. So if you look to this here right away, I will be saying to you guys, this is looking particularly good here in my opinion. And it is looking like XRP is ready for another leg up here. So also on the 2-day candles, guys, this is also looking particularly good here. You can see higher low getting formed here, higher low getting formed, higher highs also getting formed here, and also looks to be that we're currently reversing the price once again here. So that is also particularly good here. And also, of course, we've discussed this earlier on as well. And we were talking about the daily candles for XRP, and the daily is looking, my head is in front of it, I'm sorry, but the daily candles are looking a little bit, yeah, not that beautiful as the, no, the daily candles don't look that beautiful as the 2 and 3 days and weekly candles for XRP, of course, on the MACD. So what you can see on the daily, it looks to be that we are starting a downtrend. But what you can be seeing right now on the daily is of course, that we're almost going to have this bullish crossover. And we're definitely going to see this playing out here. Because if you look at the price chart is of course looking particularly good here. But of course, I find it very important to also identify the momentum and identify the swings that it's probably going to go towards. But in my opinion, first of all, I do think that we're going to shift a little bit higher. But even though, yeah, I mean, the uptrend that we were in, because we were starting a very beautiful uptrend, got broken over here. But definitely we can be starting a new uptrend from the point that we're currently trading on. So that's of course already very exciting. And yeah, I mean, I've been also talking about the 4-hourly time frame a lot here. And on the 4-hourly, yeah, I mean, I can't flip bearish on XRP on the 4-hourly time frame, because yes, first of all, we have this bullish crossover currently. Besides that, yeah, we're setting higher lows, higher highs along the way here. And once again, we set a new higher low, and that is also a reason why I do think that we can be seeing an insane surge to the upside coming here for XRP in the coming approximately 1 to 2 days here. So approximately this weekend will be very exciting for XRP, and I do think that we can be maybe already seeing the $2 this weekend. I say maybe, but I do think it's very likely to see the $2 already get reached here. So this is already looking very, very beautiful. But let me also talk a little bit about the price chart, and let me say why I do feel very excited about it. So first of all, I set up this Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low to identify extension levels for XRP. And what you can currently see here as well is that you, of course, are right now finding support at the 0.382 here once we are, of course, retesting it. And you can see over here, since seeing the breakup previously above the 0.382 here, you can see we surged above it. After that, we retested this lower side of the golden pocket entry, of course. And since touching that level, we surged to the upside. And we were, of course, looking to this as well here in the streams. We were looking as well at the falling wedge scenario. And let me go a little bit more into depth of that one in a second. But you can see here, once again, having a lot of retests of the 0.382 here. And of course, that's a gold pocket entry. And you can see, once again, significance playing out here. Support definitely holding up very beautifully. Once you're breaking above it, finding support on it. And right now, we are, of course, seeing the move to the upside getting created. And is this likely to expect? Yes, this is very likely to expect. And where do you say, where will be the next resistance for you, Rover? If you're maybe wondering, I think the $1.71 here is definitely the next target that we are going to go towards in terms of the Fibonacci chart. But I do think that we can easily break through that level. Maybe we will be having a little bit of a struggle to break through But in general, also if you look to the falling wedge scenario that we were creating here for the price action of XRP, I mean the price target is still sitting, of course since the breakout was approximately a move of 70%, and that was also the reason why I was saying this every single day here in the streams, that I was accumulating my XRP position. But if we are still looking to go to our price target of the falling wedge, it's still a 25% increase from the point on that we are currently trading on. So that's of course already very exciting. And for the people that are still willing to enter trades here, in my opinion, yes, you can be opening still trades here. I should be saying $1.48 is the first target that I should really get into. And of course, my strategy, like I told you already before on the channel, guys, if you want to be building up a bigger position, just like I am currently doing, I mean, I will be also adding more to my position once reaching the $1.48 here. But if you're opening it over there, and if we are really going to fall back to the $1.33, you should definitely add even more, so you can be building up a bigger position and average in very nice on the price. So that will be my strategy. And of course, currently you can be trading XRP on Femex and Binance, and you can be finding both of the links in the description. It will be amazing, of course, if you're signing up for them. But it's definitely looking very exciting. Besides that, guys, yeah, definitely think that the price target of this scenario is still going to be reached here. And as well, if you look to the weekly candles, what is very important for the price action of XRP, I set up some horizontal levels, and you can see, of course, we were finding support very beautifully on the 0.86 cents here. Besides that, the $1.07 was also providing a lot of support. And you can see also the significance of the $1.98 here. Of course, previous resistance on the weekly. Here, once again, finding resistance on it. So I do think if we can be once again closing the weekly candle above this line, above the $1.34, we can be seeing some moves to the upside getting created. We are once again setting a higher high in the local. We are once again setting a local higher high here. Well, it's of course very beautiful to see, but it looks to be that we're also forming some kind of a resist line maybe on the top side. So yeah, let's see how this will be ending. But definitely it is good if we are going to close at least the weekly candle higher than the previous one, because then we can be of course starting the uptrend here once again, and we can be looking for high highs anytime soon here. And yes, of course, the $2 is major resistance. We've been talking about the $2 already for quite a long time here, and also in the Fibonacci chart you can see here the $2.09 here is major resistance. So once we're coming closer towards the $2, of course we have to maybe think, maybe we have to take some profits, but for me, my real take profit area, it will be around the $3.30 here, because I definitely think we can be still reaching a target in a very rapid pace here, and that's also the reason why I'm making this video, guys. I do think that we can be going towards the target very quickly, because also, if you look to the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart, guys, this one is also looking pretty exciting in my opinion. If you look to the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart, it will be once again very important what we will be doing here for this chart. Let me see what we can get over here. So you have this important downward sloping resistance line, was already pushing down the price for quite a long time here, as you can see. Was of course providing a lot of resistance and pushing the price only lower and lower and lower. It looks to be that we were forming some kind of an descending bouldering wedge here or so. So that is of course very exciting to see if this can finally break out here, because yes, we were definitely in a downtrend, and for me to see this downtrend getting broken, I do want to be seeing this breakthrough on the weekly candles here as well for the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart. So if we can see this breakout coming in here, guys, this is of course absolutely beautiful to see. And besides that, the momentum looks to be, if I get up the momentum indicator real quickly, the MACD, this is also looking particularly good here, especially if you look to the weekly, because we are also looking at the weekly candles. Yeah, you can basically see there's getting less and less sell pressure into the market, and of course this can be really identifying the reversal that was coming. Like you can see the build up. You can see in 2017. It took us a very long time to lose the selling pressure, and then see, of course, this insane spike to the upside getting created. And right now, of course, we are already working such a long period of time, and you can see the selling pressure is losing and losing till the point on where we are currently trading on. So this is definitely looking good here, and I definitely think we can see some insane moves, because XRP, guys, you have to know the reason why I'm also saying this. You have to know how the market structure of XRP works there, and the previous market structure for XRP was a big pump and a big dump, and I definitely think it will be exactly the same. It will be a big pump to the upside, and after that a big correction. So for me, I definitely want to be riding the train to the upside, so I will be definitely taking all my profits, partially 75% to 80% profit around the $3.31 here, because yes, I do also think that we can be seeing a self-rejection from there on. So yeah, in general, I do think that we can be seeing an insane surge to the upside, and that's also the reason why I'm making this video right now. I want you guys to get in on it as well here, because I want to be gaining altogether in the market. So I can't wait to see what it's going to do. Definitely still feel very excited about it. Also, if you just quickly identify the trend, guys, I mean, you can see over here, higher low getting formed, higher low getting formed, higher low getting formed, and you're also setting higher highs. So I mean, for me, it is very important to identify market structure, but it is definitely basing to the upside right now. So please, I don't want you guys to miss out here. That's also the reason why I'm making this video. Of course, if we're seeing a new pattern unfold here for the price action of XRP, we will be definitely keeping you guys up to date. But currently, we are not seeing anything specific significant. I mean, we can be also looking, guys, at the possibility for a head and shoulder scenario. And if you look at the head and shoulders, it's not the most beautiful one, but you can see here, inverse head and shoulders, of course, left shoulder, right shoulder getting formed. And of course, if you look at the potential price target, of course, it can be pushing up the price towards levels of the $2 once again here. So that is also my reason why I still think, $2 can be reached anytime soon here. But of course, like I told you before, it's not the most beautiful pattern that I'm currently seeing, but it's definitely a thing that we can, of course, identify. And of course, an inverse and his shoulders, it's not the most beautiful one, but you basically can see over here, it is a V-shaped recovery. We are recovering very quickly. There's still a lot of interest in XRP, and definitely in the immediate short term, we are looking very good here. And also with this bullish crossover in the 4 hour, I think today already can be a very exciting day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up here, and hopefully you will be joining me as well here with XRP, because yes guys, I want to be at the place with the most amount of gains here, and that's the reason why I'm currently talking a lot about XRP. So thank you so much for watching here. Hopefully you're having an amazing day here, and don't forget to peace out. Goodbye.